Viewers, our help is needed in locating these missing youngsters. 15-year-old Leona Steele, who was last seen at her home on Maxfield Avenue, Kingston 13 on the 25th of March, wearing a black blouse and brown shorts. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 5 feet 7 inches tall. 13-year-old Anisha Blake, who was last seen at the egg housing scheme in Falmouth, Trelawney on the 16th of March. She was wearing a pink and black dress at the time of her disappearance. Anisha is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 6 inches tall. 14-year-old Akeelia Adams, who was last seen along Rush Rain, Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine on the 23rd of March. She was dressed in a black and white blouse, white jeans, and a pair of black sneakers. Akeelia is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 6 inches tall. 9-year-old Saeed Miller of Fairfield Avenue in Fairview, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He was last seen at his home on the 16th of March, dressed in a blue and grey striped merino and a blue underpants. Saeed is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 4 feet 9 inches tall. 13-year-old Nicardo Stewart of a St. Catherine address. He was last seen on the 9th of March. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. Nicardo is of brown complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 3 inches tall. 14-year-old Tayamoy Gooden of a Westmoreland address. She was last seen on the 9th of March, dressed in a pink blouse, short jeans, and a pair of green slippers. Tayamoy is of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 5 feet 4 inches tall. 14-year-old K Mclegan of Homestead Road in Kingston. She was last seen at home on the 10th of March, dressed in a white sweater, black shirt, white jeans, and a pair of black sneakers. K is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 6 inches tall. 16-year-old Calvin Brown of Acacia Avenue, Irwin, St. James address. He was last seen at home on the 17th of March, dressed in a black merino and a green and black shorts. Calvin is of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 5 feet 3 inches tall. 16-year-old Jamila Cameron of Rentals District in St. Catherine. She was last seen at home on the 3rd of March, where she was dressed in a blue merino and a short blue skirt. She was also carrying a blue knapsack. Jamila is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 6 inches tall. 16-year-old Ayanna Thompson of De La Vega City in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. She was last seen at home on the 9th of March, at which time she was wearing a grey dress. Ayanna is of dark complexion, stout build, and is about 5 feet 2 inches tall. 16-year-old Rosalie Smith of Rectory Road, Buckner District in Clarendon. She was last seen at home on the 14th of March. Ayanna is of dark complexion, medium build, and is about 5 feet tall. 16-year-old Keowna Summers of Falmouth. She was last seen at the Trinity Medical Center on the 1st of March. Her mode of dress when she was last seen is unknown. Keowna is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 5 feet 2 inches tall.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!